Mastering pronoun changes in reported WH questions. Hello, English learners. In this video, we're going to explore a very interesting topic from our intermediate grammar series, reporting WH questions, specifically focusing on third-person pronoun changes. It may seem a bit complicated, but don't worry, we'll break it down into easy-to-understand parts. Before we dive into the main topic, let's quickly revisit reported speech. When we use reported speech, we're generally speaking about something someone else said in the past. Direct speech uses the exact words the person used, while reported speech changes the verb tense and pronouns to fit the context of the report. For instance, if John said, "I am tired," we could report that as, "John said he was tired." WH questions are those questions that begin with WH words like what, when, where, who, why, and how. In direct speech, a WH question could be, "What is your name?" But in reported speech, we report it as, "He asked what my name was." Now, to our main focus. Third-person pronoun changes in reported WH questions. When you report what someone else asked, you typically have to shift the pronouns to make sure it's clear who you're talking about. This is especially true when you're dealing with third-person pronouns like he, she, it, and they. For example, if Tim asked, "Where is she going?" in reported speech, it would become, "Tim asked where she was going." Here, the pronoun she stays the same because it refers to another person apart from Tim. But what if Tim was asking about himself? "Where am I going?" In reported speech, it would become, "Tim asked where he was going." The pronoun I changes to he to reflect that we're reporting what Tim asked about himself. The best way to understand this is through practice. Here are some exercises for you. Exercise 1. Susan asked, "What is he doing?" Answer: Susan asked what he was doing. Exercise 2. Mark wondered, "Why am I always late?" Answer: Mark wondered why he was always late. Try creating your own sentences and practice converting them into reported speech. Remember the rule. Third-person pronouns change to reflect who the original speaker was referring to. And there you have it. You've just leveled up your understanding of third-person pronoun changes in reported WH questions. Keep practicing these structures and before you know it, you'll be using them naturally in your English conversations. Thank you for joining us in this video. We hope it was helpful and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy learning!